University is ultimately a place of education, however crazy sleeping patterns can reduce productivity immensely and cause sleep issues. Some people manage to thrive through days on just 4 hours of sleep, but the vast majority of us can't. In this guide we give our tips on the things you can do to help you get to sleep, the things you should avoid, and tips to get yourself up in the morning. Tips to tackle sleep issues. Number 1. Drink tea. We found that a cup of tea in bed can help you get to sleep quicker. You can drink normal tea like PG or Tetley, but we recommend trying Red Bush. Number 2. Play music or a bland documentary music can be a great way to help you to get to sleep. Create a playlist that has slow and relaxing songs and make sure not to play it too loud. Another thing you can do is to put on a David Attenborough documentary. His voice is the next best thing to a lullaby. Number 3. Set an alarm, an obvious one that will help you to get up in the morning. It works best if you set the most annoying song on as your alarm tone, Gangnam Style. If you're terrible at getting up for those 9 a.m. lectures, try setting at least 5 different alarms. Set each of these alarms at half-an-hour intervals and the last 2 at 15 minutes apart. Number 4. Keep your curtains open. Keeping your curtains open when you go to bed ensures, assuming that your window positioning permits, that light enters your room in the morning. So when you do finally wake up, you don't wake up to a dark room. The effect of bright lights will help shake the groggy death-like feeling off more quickly, so you feel better in the mornings. Number 5. Avoid naps if you can. Avoid napping. These things are immensely deadly. Naps can interfere with your sleeping pattern, and you may find yourself waking up and going to bed at odd times, which can ultimately affect your work. So we suggest avoiding naps if you can't trust your body clock to operate properly. Number 6. Avoid eating after 10 p.m., okay? This is a given. It's actually a good habit to consider, though the student life may make this harder. No matter how much KFC, Iceland pizza or whatever your flatmates stick under your nose, resist temptation. Eating after 10 p.m. can give you unnecessary energy.